how to allow or deny apps access permission to location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on permission manager. From here, scroll down, then tap on location. In location, you can see here there is a section called allow all the time, allow only while in use, and then you got not allow. So if you want to grant any app permission to access location, you go to the not allow section. Say camera, so you tap on camera, and then in here you can choose allow only while using the app or ask every time. So I'm going to select allow only while using the app, and then tap on the back key. Now you can see the camera will be moved to allow only while using the app section. And that's it. If you want to deny access, you tap on it, then you choose don't allow, then tap on the back key, and the camera app will be moved to the not allow section. Now the reason why I have two camera app here is because one camera is from my personal or my normal camera, and the other one is the camera app within the secure folder. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.